कर ले तू, कुछ लव दी टॉकिंग कर ले तू। अरे रॉकिंग रॉकिंग कर ले तू, कुछ लव दी टॉकिंग कर ले तू। तेरी भी सेटिंग हो जाए लाइफ में डेयरिंग कर ले तू। साडे उत्ते कुड़ियां मरदियां सानू लव दा हीरो कहंदियां, फिर कर ले बल्ले बल्ले। मैं मखना यू मैं मखना, ओए मखना मैं तेनू जरा चखना वे। मखना यू मैं मखना, ओ मैं मखना मैं तेनू जरा चखना। मेरे मखना रे मखना रे मखना वे मखना मैं मखना यू मैं
कुड़ी ने लुधियाना भी नहीं टप्पे असी पहला तो कुड़ी ने लुधियाना भी नहीं टप्पे। पुछे बिना कारोबार पैर भी नहीं रखे। जदों दी मैडम जी शहर विच आई बस पार्टी दियां गल्लां करदी रहिंदी है। कुड़ी सैटरडे सैटरडे करदी रहिंदी है। कुड़ी सैटरडे सैटरडे करदी रहिंदी है। Saturday, 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 Hunching.
I also express my gratitude to escorting them to the stage. I, Sweta Pani, the school leader of Montfort School, on behalf of our Montfort family, welcome and other distinguished guests to come up to the stage and be seated.
Om Sarvamangalamangale. I will not go on stage.
Mrinal Chatterjee. He is the professor and head of Indian Institute of Mass Communication, IIMC. Our chief guest is a journalist from Media Academician. He was born in 1961. He started his career as a lecturer in English in 1983, joined Sambat and Odia Delhi in 1984, and became the in 1996. As a journalist, Mr. Chatterjee has written extensively on environment. He has been awarded the prestigious KK 1991 and 1992. He joined the Indian Institute of Mass Communication, Dhenkanal, as an associate professor in February 1998. Dr. Chatterjee has published 4 books on journalism and mass communication, including his seminal work, History of Journalism. He has written the story and screenplay of many successful teleserials and anchored many radio and television programs. We welcome you, sir.
Just now to appreciate, help us in our journey. He became the 3rd Bishop of Sambalpur Diocese on 28 September 2013, consequently the chairman of the school. Right Reverend Dr. Niranjan Ji hails from the district of Gajapati and the village in Kotama. Being a simple village schoolmaster's son, he had studied in various schools in Gajapati district. He did his philosophical class where he was appointed as a residential professor. He completed his master's degree in Delhi and PhD in Rome. It is a great day for us, our family, and the entire congregation here. Welcome you to this annual day 2014. Welcome, Bishop. I welcome you all once again, distinguished guests and the school advisory members, alumni, and my dear parents for this 2014 annual day of Montfort School. Of that wonderful poem by the theosophist Alice Annie Baylis, The Great Invocation. From the point of light within the mind of God, let light stream forth into the minds of men. Let light descend on earth. From the point of love within the heart of God, let love stream forth into the hearts of men. May God and light walk out, and may it seize the door where the evil dwells. Let light and love and power restore plan on earth. As the lamp has been lighted, let's begin this auspicious function with an enchanting song. I would like to welcome the melodious choir group of Montfort to present a soul-stirring carol with a charming voice and mark the beginning of this occasion.
Hello.
We welcome
mission successful one.
Good afternoon to all of you. A warm welcome to all sitting here in this afternoon. Guest Dr. Mrinal Chatterjee, IMSC, Indian Institute of Mass Communication, Niranjan Swal Singh Bishop and the President of Montfort School, Hentana, Advisory Board members, alumni, colleagues, other distinguished guests, parents, and my dear children. We are privileged to have you in our midst, such renowned and versatile personality as Dr. Mrinal Chatterjee, Professor and Head of IIMC, journalist turned media academy, worked in almost all medias, holding masters in mass communication, public administration and in English, a PhD from Rampur University. Dr. Reverend Niranjan Swal Singh does not need more elaborate profile. He is coming to see us every academic year as a chairman of the school. I welcome you all once again, and I'm getting into my duty. It is 2013-14 was a historical year. We crossed an important milestone. Our 31st batch of class 10 gave their ICSE board exam. While we are happy to see them grow into confident and adult ready to take on life, we miss them immensely. Excellence in academic is the hallmark of any good institution. Keeping the motto of the school, Excelizer, effort is preparing for class 10 has been intensive, and we are positive that the students will do us proud this session. The statistics of the school-based result 2014, out of 81 students in class 10, we have 1790 above percentage, which is a record. 20 students in 80 to 89 percentage, 23 of them between 70 to 79 percentage, 14 of them between 60 to 69 percentage, 7 in 40 to 59 percentage, total 100 percentage pass, to say 74 of them above first class and 7 of them second class. Aditya Patra and Prasanjit Nath scored 96 percentage and became the toppers. Sanat Malik with 94.50 stood second, and with 94.33 percentage, Atish Kumar Dahuri and Ashutosh Tripathi shared the third position. Congratulations to all of them.